Hi everybody, we're Tornado again. Just want to make another video. Um, my boyfriend's back home in real life, like at his dad's house. Um, but I thought I'd make this because he finished the cutie mark on his pony Sona. Ow, my back. Seriously, my back's killing me right now. Anyway, I have to like get ready for tomorrow, but I don't care. The picture, the red stallion in the video is my boyfriend's pony, um, Prince Lightning, Prince Lightning Shine. Um, yeah, the 3D pony maker kind of messed up on the cutie mark a bit. You can see the line of where the picture of the cutie mark is, but it's fine. I've tried. I did try to cover that, but because my pony's white, it's a bit harder to see. But it gives an idea, and at least I said I've tried and everything. Apologies if I yawn. I'm quite tired. So yeah, how to start? Well, as I said, my boyfriend's pony is an alicorn pony. He is a royal, um, a royal, like a royal prince. Um, he had a bit of a dilemma at the moment. Uh, because reason why is because he wants to be with Winter, my pony, but he's in a relationship with her, but the slight problem is that, well, one is that she's not getting any help on Pony Square. Two, well, when I say help, I mean like any pony commenting on her and saying, "Are you alright?" and everything. Is that he, as I said, he is with Linda, but sorry, I'm trying to stop myself yawning. Um, is that sorry? Is that as I said, he wants to be with Winner, but he also has to do his natural royal duties as a alicorn. And the problem is that he wants to be with Winner as well. And he doesn't know how to like balance the two out. And I haven't got a foggiest clue either. And I just wanted to like, because what is, see what the problem is that he asked Winter to live not with him but sort of in the town or the city where he lives, because he lives just outside Ponyville, that kind of has like his own town. But Winter can't move because one thing is that she can't leave her family. Well, it's not like she can't leave the family, it's the fact that her twins are too young at the moment, because she's got identical twin fillies. Well, they're identical, but the colours are not identical. It's kind of weird. Um, and the other thing is that because the twins are so young, they're quite premature. They were born like 5 days premature, and they were supposed to be born on Hearts and Hooves Day or Valentine's Day, but some jerk sort of tackled her and kind of made her go in, labor early, which can happen if you're in later states of pregnancy. I don't know this because I've never gone far enough in pregnancy. I was pregnant in real life, but I kind of lost it like last year, and I've only just recovered. Like my body's just recovered now, so I do know I have been pregnant before, but as I said, I've lost it. But so I kind of get emotional and more easily offended when it comes to pregnancies because like if people torment me about it, like what my pony be out of it because as I said, I've been pregnant before, but I lost it like prematurely. Reasons why I don't know. So yeah, if when my pony ever like starts getting defensive about pregnancies, don't worry. Or if I get defensive about pregnancies, like it's just because it's kind of a painful subject. But what I'm trying to get at is that the fact that I said Prince Thundershine asked Winter to move out of sort of Ponyville, where she lives. No, she lives somewhere in not in Ponyville, but she kind of lives sort of outside Ponyville, but in a secret. Like I'm not gonna give her an exact location out, but she lives somewhere where she's close to her family, but not too close where people can find her. She had to leave because of the situation before with a friend, which I have mentioned in my previous videos. But I mean, the problem is, at the moment she's currently with her cult friend in a beach hut. The kids are with the grandmother, or my mum's pony, because my Winter's parents are my parents' ponies. I kind of base her parents, off my own parents. And my mum knows about her pony, but my dad doesn't because my dad doesn't live with us anymore. My mum and dad were divorced, like when I was little. But anyway, the point is that her dilemma, as I'm trying to get at, is the fact that, as I said, he asked Prince Thundershine, well, Lightningshine, sorry. My boyfriend's getting to me. Prince Lightningshine had asked Winter to move, but she won't because she doesn't want to. She wants to, but she doesn't want to because of the kids. Because I said the twins are too young and premature and can't leave. Because there's stuff in Ponyville that will keep, will help them survive, and nurses and like doctors and stuff like that. And also the fact that Winter's older filly, she has school, like in Ponyville, and also because Winter's filly has a little crush on a cult, who is one of my very best friend's pony character, and she doesn't want to have to travel far enough to see him, unless Winter marries her cult friend, which probably won't happen at any point at the time because they've only just gone out, so yeah. And I'm not sure whether Winter's gonna be pregnant or not. I'm not 100% sure. I know it may seem early for her, but she says she's surprisingly good and like juggling things like that and stuff. So her dilemma is actually whether what she should do. I mean, I suggested to my boyfriend that maybe he should juggle his duties as a prince as well as going to see Winter and spending time with her kids to sort of become a better stallion, because my boyfriend told me that Prince Shine's dad kind of still sees him as a bit of a child or a cult, and doesn't think that his son is ready to manage anything. And I suppose that Prince Lightning Shine kind of feels the pressure because he's got like his royal duties, and as well as seeing Winter and his dad. I mean, he loves Winter to pieces. I mean, that's probably the most, she's the most, best thing in his life right now from his duties. And said I don't know whether she is or not, but it's fine if she's not. But I'm just saying I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to see. But yeah, she just doesn't know what to do. As I said to my boyfriend, as I said before, as I said to my boyfriend, I think he should like sort of find a way to sort of combine the two. And he agreed. He thinks that's a great idea, but we don't know how yet. So he's gonna think on it. But if anybody's got any ideas, I probably won't make a habit of keep constantly posting things. Like with my pony problems, but yeah. I just wanted to show you a picture of Prince Lightning Shine, and if you've got any suggestions for Winter and Prince Lightning, please do comment. If you have Pony Square and you haven't added me, please add me. You'll pretty well find me because my name is Winter Tornado. But yeah. So, but as I say, if you don't want it, it's fine. But if you want to leave a comment below, you can. I can also do Q&As as well. Obviously, if you have a Q&A, there is a video somewhere in my videos that you go to that video and post up. You write in a question, and you can either ask it for my pony or myself in real life, but you have to make it clear which one you're asking. So if you, as I said, if you have a question for me in real life, please put it for real life Winter or something like that. If you have a question for Pony Winter, just say a question for Winter. And that way I'll know which one's which. Also, I wanted to quickly point out before this ends is that you probably can't see it, but Prince Lightning's element of harmony is actually kindness. But I'll probably make a better video of it, like a better picture of it later. Thanks for listening, everybody. Bye.